Tired of scrolling through endless online credit reports? Today, we're showing you how to get a hard copy of your Experian credit report so you can analyze it with ease and catch errors faster. First, head to Experian's website. Experian come if you already have an account, log in if not. You'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, navigate to your credit report. It's usually found under a tab labeled Credit Report or Credit Monitoring. Look for a link to view or download your report. Most likely, you'll be able to view your credit report online. To print it, look for the print icon, usually a small printer symbol in the top right corner of your browser or within the report viewer itself. Click it. A print dialog box will appear. Make sure your printer is selected and ready. You can also adjust settings like page orientation and the number of copies. Then, simply click Print. Now, if you prefer to receive your Experian credit report by mail, there's another option. Experian offers this service free of charge once every 12 months. Go to annualcreditreport.com. This is the only authorized website for ordering your free annual credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. Follow the instructions to request your Experian report. Specifically, you'll need to provide your personal information for verification. Be sure to select the option to receive your report by mail. Within a few weeks, your printed Experian credit report will arrive in the mail. Now you can carefully review it for any inaccuracies or suspicious activity. Easy, right? Having a printed copy makes it so much simpler to highlight, annotate, and compare changes over time. Stay on top of your credit health.